When I think of friendship, I think of being accepted for who you are, and even being loved for who you are. And here at Curves, I've seen many friendships developed. So many of them really have health problems, and I don't think even realized till they got in here that they can actually do something about that. You know, they're diabetic, they're taking pills, they've taken high blood pressure medication for years, you know, and so they've just accepted that that is their life, and it doesn't have to be their life. They can change that. So being thin in and of itself is probably not the most motivating goal, but being healthy is. Hi, I'm Diane Maxey, owner and certified personal trainer here at Curves in Palmdale, California. You know, Curves is 30 minutes of fast, fun fitness for women. And I get asked all the time, so what makes Curves unique? Well, let me tell you a little bit about how I found Curves. When I hit my 50s, I knew that if I did not do something, that my health and vitality were just going to continue in a downhill slide. That 30 minutes changed my life. And at that time, I was in a corporate job and I was extremely busy. And for me to be able to work out in 30 minutes and to feel healthy and to lose weight meant everything to me. In fact, I liked Curves so much that I bought a Curves. And that's when I realized that Curves is so much more than just a place to exercise. Curves is a community of women. Curves consists of women from every walk of life. We have young women, we have senior citizens, we have women who are heavy and are trying to lose weight, we have women who are thin and trying to gain some muscle and weight. We have women with serious health concerns that are trying to become healthier, and we have women who don't have health concerns but they're exercising so they'll stay healthy. So what do all these women have in common? Well, they've all decided that they needed to take responsibility for their lives. You know, unfortunately as women, we are very good at taking care of everybody else, and we're just plain lousy at taking care of ourselves. And this community of women at Curves have come because they've decided that it's time to take charge of their life. So whether you're interested in losing weight or gaining weight or just getting healthy, you're about to see some stories of real women here, members at Curves in Palmdale. And I hope by watching those stories, you're going to see that you have the ability to reach for those things that are important in your life.